Like this now, they pack my friend property, come up for a husband house, they go back to your papa compa. Why? All those of una where they use on.
Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and share my channel. This is Lifestyle 2XL. Let's prepare this chicken rice from scratch. Here I use 3 chicken thighs for my recipe. I'm going to use the bones to also prepare the stock for the rice. We will be seasoning the chicken with some spices. Here we are adding some ginger to it, some garlic, add the kebab pepper, and then also we are going to add our powdered pepper to it. We are going to add some salt to it. Don't forget to add any seasoning of your choice. We mix all together to make sure that every part of the chicken is seasoned. We will then have to cover it and then we will set it aside in the fridge for some minutes. This really makes the chicken well soaked with the seasoning. We are going to use some vegetables to prepare the stock for the rice. So here we are using the green bell pepper, some carrots, and then also we are going to use some onions to prepare the stock. Add some seasonings and then also add water to it. So here we are going to add enough water that would be required to even boil the rice. Yes, so make sure you add salt to it. So you will leave it for it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. We will be using this for our stew base, or we'll be using it for our base. 2 bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, and then 1 pepper. We are going to cut these into halves and then we'll remove the seed. Then after, we'll make sure we wash them in water. Transfer them into a blender. Make sure you are not blending it to become that smooth, but it should be that rough. Yeah, don't blend it too smooth. Yes, so it should be in this form. You can see how it looks. So after our bone stock is done, we are going to remove the bones, including the vegetables in them. Yes, make sure you remove everything. We are going to transfer our washed rice in it. We'll add some salt, and then we are going to make sure we stir it in the solution, and then we allow it to boil. We will be frying our marinated chicken. Make sure you use a saucepan that is big enough, because it is in the same after removing the chicken we are going to use to prepare the rice. When it's turning golden brown, you can now remove them from the fire. Our rice should be ready by now so that we can set it aside for it to cool down and then we use it. So in the same saucepan, add your onions and chopped garlic. Stir fry till it's almost golden brown. Now add in your blended mix. Add some seasoned spice or cubes. Allow this to boil for a while till it's well cooked. Then we are going to add in our bell pepper and carrots. Also stir fry this. When it's cooked for a while, add in your rice. Mix them together. We can now add in our fried chicken. Then we mix them together. I added extra vegetables, broccoli and then spinach. If you have them, you can add them. If you have other vegetables, you can add them also. After low heat for some few minutes, your rice should be looking at this and be ready to be served. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page, and then you can leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time.